Welcome to Buildeezy. In this quick walkthrough, I'll guide you through signing in, setting up your profile and posting your first job. To begin, click on Login at the top right. You can choose to sign in with Google, Facebook or your email. I'm going with Google for now. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage jobs, professionals and more. Now let's set up your profile. Click your name at the top right, then select Profile to start filling out your details. Upload a photo, check your contact info, and write a short description of what you do. This helps people know who you are. When you're done, just hit save. Your profile is now active. Now it's time to verify your identity. Click Verification and upload your ID or any required documents. Then save. Now let's post your first job. From the left-hand menu, click Jobs, then choose Post a Job to get started. Write your job title, add a detailed description, choose a location and budget. Then click Preview to check how it looks. If everything looks good, click Submit. Your job will now appear on your Jobs page and be visible to contractors. Once your job is live, head to the Bid section to see the offers you've received. You'll be able to review each bid, compare them, and choose the one that suits your project best. When you accept a bid, you'll be taken to the milestone creation screen. Here, you can break your project into phases and set payment steps. Just fill in the milestone title, due date, and budget, then click Submit. You'll unlock the full project dashboard, where you can manage every milestone, track progress, and handle payments, all in one place. To find a contractor directly, go to Professionals in the left-hand menu. You can search by trade or name, view a quick profile preview, and click See Full Profile to explore their experience and reviews. And that's it! You're ready to connect, post and grow right here on Buildeezy.